What's up guys, this is Linton and welcome back to my woodworking channel. What we're doing here today is that I have designed this beautiful wooden tray with 45-degree angle miter joints on all four corners. And obviously, we're going to have to reinforce them. What we do first is that we create these little gaps on all four corners with a pole saw. And then we just chisel them out, and once these gaps are formed, we use a longitudinally grained piece of wood, put some glue in, and then we just tap it in there with a hammer. That glue will create a very strong bond between these two pieces of wood. Afterwards, you just cut it off with a pole saw and plane it flush with the sides of the tray. As you guys can see, it's not very hard to replicate and it looks very good because it's in contrasting colors. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video and you want more of these, just leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much.